Good morning, third class children. Now I am going to tell you about workbook exercises. Children, take out your EVS workbooks. Open page number 10. In term 2, second lesson, health and hygiene. See here children, draw a line from the body part to its grooming essential. Hair, nail, soap, tissue paper, teeth, nose, body, nail cutter, comb, brush with paste. Matching teeth to brush. Nails to nail cutter. Nose to tissue paper. Draw the lines neatly. Hair to comb. Body to soap. Soap. Hair to comb, nail to nail cutter, teeth to toothbrush, nose to tissue paper, body to soap. Next page children. What is health? Complete the health triangle. Health is not merely the absence of any disease for infirmity. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Mental, health, social, physical. See here children, health is not merely the absence of any disease or infirmity. HEALTH, health, IS is NOT not, MERELY, merely, THE, ABSENCE, absence, OF of ANY, any, DISEASE, disease, or INFIRMITY, infirmity, full stop. Next, health, 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 IS is ASTATE, state, OF of COMPLETE, completely, PHYSICAL, physical, MENTAL, mental, and SOCIAL, social, WELL, well, BEING, being, L, being. Right here children, health triangle, mental, 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 HEALTH, health, SOCIAL, social, PHYSICAL, physical. Social children, SOCIAL. What are the characteristics of a healthy person? Good appetite for food, deep and restful sleep, regular bowel movements, clear and bright eyes, proportionate height and weight. Jivavadi, good. APPETITE, appetite. FR for FOD, food. DEEP, deep, and RESTFUL, restful, SLEEP, sleep. REGULAR, regular, BOWEL, bowl, MOVEMENTS, movements, regular bowel movements. CLEAR, clear, and BRIGHT, bright, EYES, eyes. PROPORTIONATE, 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 HEIGHT height and WEIGHT weight. Normal growth and activeness. NORMAL normal, GROWTH growth and ACTIVENESS activeness. These are called characteristics of a healthy person. Next, look at this exercise, children. Why do you think washing hair is also an important aspect of keeping ourselves clean? Explain with the help of the below picture. The dirty and sweat make our hair dirty. It may result in the formation of head lice or dandruff marked by itching. So, we should brush our hair every day and wash it at least once a week. THE, the, DIRT, dirt, and SWEAT, sweat, MAKE, make, OUR, our, HAIR, air, DIRTY, dirty, full stop. IT MAY, may, RESULT, result, INENTH, the, FORMATION, formation, OF of HED, head, LIC, lice, ORR, DINDRUFF, dandruff, comma, MARKED, marked, BY, by, ITCHING, itching, full stop. So, WEVSHOULD, should, BRUSH, brush, OUR, our, HAIR, hair, EVERY, every, DAY, day, every day, and WASH, wash, IT, eat, AT, at, LEAST, least, ONCE, once, WEEK, week, full stop. We should brush our hair every day and wash it at least once a week. Okay, children, write neatly. Turn the page, children, 12th page. See here, most of our health is in our hands. What does our health mostly depend on? Safe water, physical games, personal hygiene, sanitation and waste disposal, safe food. SAFE, safe, WATER, water, PHYSICL, physical, GAMES, games, PERSONAL, personal, HYGIENE, hygiene, SNITATION, sanitation and WASTE, waste, DISPOSAL, disposal, SAFE, safe, FOD, food. Safe food. Most of our health is in our hands. Safe water, safe food, physical games, personal hygiene, sanitation and waste disposal. Next exercise, children. What is personal hygiene and what does it include? Personal hygiene involves taking care of our body and keeping it clean. This is important as it contributes to 2/3 of our health. PERSONAL, personal, HYGIENE, hygiene, INVOLVES, involves TAKING, taking, CARE, care, OF of, OUR, our, BODY, body, and KEEPING, 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 IT, eat, CLEAN, clean, full stop. THIS, this, IS, IMPORTANT, important, AS, as, IT, eat, CONTRIBUTES, contributes, TO2, TWO2, THIRDS, thirds, OF of, OUR, our, HALTH, health. Physical hygiene involves taking care of our body and keeping it clean. This is important as it contributes to two-thirds of our health. Oral hygiene, washing body, washing hair. Washing hands, wearing clean clothes, keeping shoes and socks dry and clean, taking care of feet, keeping nails trim and clean, coughing and sneezing. ORAL, oral, HYGIENE, hygiene, WASHING, washing BODY, body, WASHING, washing HAIR, hair, WASHING, washing HANDS, hats. Wearing clothes, WARING, wearing CLEAN, clean, CLOTHES, clean, clothes, wearing clean clothes, KEEPING, keeping, SHOES, shoes, and SOCK, socks, DRY, dry, and CLEN, clean. Taking care of feet, TAKING, taking care, CARE, feet. Keeping nails trim and clean, KEEPING, keeping NAILS, nails, TRIME, trim, and CLEN, clean, CAUGHING, coughing, and SNEEZING, sneezing. Oral hygiene, washing body, washing hair, washing hands, wearing clean clothes, keeping shoes and socks dry and clean, taking care of feet, keeping nails trim and clean, coughing and sneezing. Next, children, look at this picture. What happens if we drink water from such surroundings? This can be dangerous to our health as it contains harmful germs. Water from tanks and ponds should not be used for drinking and cooking unless it is purified. We should drink clean water for our health. THIS, this CAN, can BB, DANGEROUS, dangerous, TO2, OU are our HEALTH, health, ASS as IT, eat, CONTAINS, contains HARMFEL, harmful, GERMS, germs. WATR, water, FROM, from TANKS, tanks, and PONDS, ponds, SHOULD, should, NOT, not BEB, USED, used, FR, for, DRINKING, drinking, and COOKING, cooking, UNLESS, unless ITES is PURIFIED, purified, WEVSHOULD, should, DRINK, drink, CLEAN, clean, WATR, water, FR, for, OU or our, HALTH, health. This can be dangerous to our health as it contains harmful germs. Water from tanks and ponds should not be used for drinking and cooking unless it is purified. We should drink clean water for our health. State whether the following statements are true or false. The absence of any disease cannot be considered as being healthy. False. FALSE, false. Throw the household garbage into the street. False. FALSE, false. Our health mostly depend on our habits and hygiene. True. TRUE, true. Brushing our hair daily result in hair loss. False. Playing computer games regularly is good for health. False. Playing computer games regularly is good for health. False. Germs are the cause for some of the diseases. True. False, false, true, false, false, true. Next, fill in the blanks. First one. Taking care of one's own body is called personal hygiene. PERSONAL, personal, HYGIENE, personal hygiene. Taking care of one's own body is called personal hygiene. Avoid biting and chewing the nails. BITING, biting, chewing, chewing. Avoid biting and chewing the nails. Mosquitoes breed in stagnated dash and choked. Mosquitoes breed in stagnated water and choked drains. WTR water, DRAINS drains. Proper cleanliness and sanitation stop the spread of diseases. DISEASES diseases. Proper cleanliness and sanitation stop the spread of diseases. Generally, a healthy person has proportionate dash and dash height and weight. EIGHT height and WEIGHT weight. Generally, a healthy person has proportionate height and weight. We must eat fresh and hygienic food. FRESH fresh. HYGIENIC hygienic food. Next, match the following children: physical health, public health, typhoid, malaria, sneezing, itching, scalp, houseflies, handkerchief, sanitation, games, dandruff, mosquitoes. Physical health, games, right here number 1. Public health, sanitation, right here number 2. Typhoid, houseflies, right here number 3. Malaria, mosquitoes, right here number 4. Sneezing, handkerchief, right here 5. Itching, scalp, dandruff. Okay children, 3, 5, 2, 1, 6, 4. Children, if you have any doubts, check 1 term 2 course book. Thank you children. I will meet in the next class.